The process for placing an implant to replace more than one tooth, if you're missing multiple teeth, we will put an implant in each site where those teeth are missing. And how we determine that is we take a CT scan at your free consultation, and we determine where we need to locate those implants. And then once those implants are put into place, an impression will be taken and sent to a lab that will custom design and fabricate a bridge to fit over those missing teeth. During that healing period and the time that bridge is being fabricated, we're going to put some temporaries on there. So when you leave my office after we put those implants in, you're going to have teeth in place, but they're temporary. We'll take those teeth off after about a 3-week period while that bridge is being made, and then we'll cement your permanent bridge in place. So give us a call so we can evaluate your needs and we can determine where we can place those implants.